flowers. Today we are going to be making a winter wood flower arrangement. Now that the holidays are over with and we are still in the midst of winter, we want to add a little bit of floral beauty to our home. We have just a large vase here, and then we have some branches. You can get decorative branches from a local craft store, or you can even go grab them right from your backyard if you need to. Now that we have our branches stuck into our planter or a big vase if you choose, we are just going to start by gluing some winter colored flowers onto each of the branches. Here we are using some different shades of blue. We have our summer sky, we have a navy, and we're also using some raw flowers as well. We have a variety of sizes and types of flowers. We have some with our skin still on them and some without the skin, some 1.5-inch flowers and up to as big as 3-inch flowers. And all we are doing here is just adding a little bit of glue to each of the backs of the flowers and then pressing them onto the branches of our sticks and our twigs here. Making sure to hold them in place long enough for that glue to dry so the flowers don't just slip right off. You just want to hold them there for just a couple seconds, let that glue harden a little bit, and then you are good to go. You can definitely use other colors of flowers as well if you're wanting to match your home decor, or maybe a wedding theme, or maybe a gift for a friend. You can change up the colors. We just chose these winter colors because we're having a little bit of the winter blues and want to spice things up a little bit and get us back in a cheery mood for the rest of these winter months. There is your winter wood flower arrangement. Super easy, super fun, and a great craft for those cold days. Thanks for joining us, and happy crafting.